and you're in your 20s, you're young, you're turned. 2025 is your year to shine. Period.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's true.
Hey babes, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. And I'm our girl there. I already know what the fuck is going on. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, please let me know that you're returning and let me know in the comments down below because I want to get to know you guys. We're kicking off this vlogmas with just self-help videos, so I hope you guys are enjoying them. If so, be sure to comment and like this video. But without further ado, let's get into the video so we're not here all day because I'm not here to waste your time and I know you're here to learn. Okay, so class in session. Let's get into it. If you clicked on this video, you're wanting to glow up for 2025 and you're in your 20s, you're young, you're turned, and you want to, you know, learn how to become that girl, and I'm here to help you. Point blank period. Okay, whether you're stepping into your 20s or embracing them like a boss, these tips will keep you shining inside and out. So let's get into it. First things first, and when I'm looking down, I'm looking at my notes. So yeah, they're on my computer. First things first I'll put is skincare and beauty. Your 20s is the perfect time to invest in your skin. Here's what you need to glow up in 2025. SPF is your BFF, okay? Whether you have melanin or not, you need to invest in SPF and you need to be putting that on your face every day before you walk outside. I just don't get how people walk around with no sunscreen on. Like, that is so crazy. The sun is literally damaging your skin as you walk outside. So please, from now on, put SPF on your freaking face. Simplify your skin routine, okay? Get a cleanser, you need a toner, you need a moisturizer, and you need some type of serum, okay? An acne serum or whatever the case may be. Me personally, I use a salicylic acid serum. If you do have acne, make sure you're treating that. Also, retinoid, okay? Retinol, I hope I'm saying that right. Retinol changed my life, y'all. That literally transforms your skin. I try to put retinol at night as much as I can. If you can do that, then if you have the money, girl, I'm gonna tell you what to do. I need you to go on Instagram, look at estheticians near me, or estheticians in Atlanta, estheticians in Houston, estheticians in Dallas, wherever you're from, and you're gonna book yourself a facial, okay? Yes. I used to have really bad acne. I started getting facials, started talking to estheticians. Go get facials. I had put makeup trends, but that's just getting into makeup. If you want to become that girl, I'm not saying that you have to wear makeup, but I'm saying if you want to be that, learn how to do your makeup, okay? Go on TikTok, look at some trendy, go get your face done when you go out. Go get your face done, okay? Spend that little coin. That shit is gonna come back. Pray about it. That shit is gonna come back 10 times. Okay, the next tip I have for y'all is fitness and nutrition. Figure out what type of body that you want. Me personally, when I wanted to lose weight, I wanted to be the skinny. So when people was like, oh, you lost so much weight, oh, you're so skinny, I'm like, girl, I wanted to be like this. Like, I wanted to be like, I manifested this. I wanted to be skinny. I wanted to have a slim waist. Like, I wanted to have a slim stomach. Like, I needed that. And I started working out. I started doing yoga, Pilates, anything that could keep my body moving. So I know a lot of people that like to go to the gym and just go hard. Me, I really didn't like to go hard in the gym like that as far as in like cardio. So I would go to yoga, Pilates. Pilates is a good way, like workout yoga, okay? Not the relaxing yoga, but workout yoga. If you don't want to pay for yoga or for a membership, there's hella videos on YouTube that you can look up and be like, hey, 10-minute workout routine at home. Or if you want to go into workout yoga, Boho Beautiful, I've been watching her. I've been doing her workout for years. When I say years, that's who got me this. That's who got me this stomach. Boho Beautiful, that's who got me this, okay? Staying active really does boost your energy and really does put you in a better mood. So nourish your body, Okay, I cannot stress this enough. Like, you can't be that girl if all you eat is fried food every day. You don't like fruit. You don't like smoothies. I used to hang around folks that didn't like smoothies. And I'm gonna be honest, I had to get from around them because why you don't like smoothies? Like, why don't you don't like fruit? Like, hydrate your body. You are what you eat. So don't be going around here smelling a little off. Some days you gotta drink some flavored water or sparkling water. My favorite is sparkling water. This is kind of like one of the bad flavored waters, but me personally, I don't drink soda. I only drink sparkling water. So you can make some type of changes in your diet because that will literally help you. And not eating so much fast food, because fast food used to break me out so bad. So if you struggle with acne or breakouts or just skin problems, period, it may be what you're eating. So find out if you're allergic to gluten, if you're allergic to certain things. Go get a fucking test. Like, find out what you're allergic to, because I'm gonna be honest, hormonal acne I can get, but acne because you're eating junk food every freaking day, like, girl, it's 2025. Instead of grabbing them potato chips, grab some grapes. I put fashion and style for the next tip. Your style says a lot about you. It either elevates you or puts you down a few notches. Me personally, when I first started to dress a little bit, I just started to go outside of my box. Like, go shop at places that you won't normally shop at. You can still be a baddie on a budget too. If you gotta go to the thrift store and put you some things together, girl, go do that. Okay? Because who said you can't be a baddie on a budget? Period. Like, really invest in your wardrobe. Like, me personally, I had to stop getting as much stuff from Shein. I started going towards, and if this is only if you do have the money. If you don't and you can really look fly with Shein, because girl, I've been wearing Shein since, but this is if you want to, start spending money on skims. Like, start going to Zara, like, start putting some money into your clothing, and even if you do shop from Shein, like, start getting different things. Like, start dressing a little bit classier. If you always dress classier and you want to get out of your comfort zone just a little bit, then start wearing streetwear. Like, go outside the box. I put social and emotional growth for the next thing. This is the last thing. So this is just focusing on your relationships and your self-love, okay? That self-love really just blows you up. Okay, once you put all of that energy into yourself, that really just, it does something. You'll start glowing and people will be like, girl, what have you been doing? And all you really be able to say is, girl, I just been focusing on myself. I would say surround yourself with positive people. You become who you hang out with. Like earlier, like I said, like, I couldn't hang out with them no more because what do you mean you don't like fruit? That means you got something internally going on. You get what I'm saying? Like, be around people that you have some type of something in common with. Friends that uplift you. Friends that don't want to compete with you. That don't feel like, oh, just because you're doing something that they can't do it, or constantly compare themselves to you. I used to have friends that would come to me and tell me, hey, I'm comparing myself. We ain't hung out with nobody else. What the fuck are you comparing yourself to? So make sure if you hear those red flags, bye, I can't. Take yourself out on solo dates. And this goes with just being alone, period. If you want to hear more about that, you can check out my last video. Go check out my last video. I'll link it down below if you want to go watch that. But yes, taking yourself out on solo dates is tea. I just went out on a solo date today. That's how you will gain confidence. Going out by yourself, doing things alone at times, you will gain confidence by that. Romanticize your life. I romanticize everything. When I get home at night sometimes, I will light a candle. I'll play the most sensual R&B music. I'll freaking turn the lights off in the bathroom. Put the little, not LED light because we're too old for LED light. But I have like this light. My sister has this light. I turn that little blue light on and I just take a bath. I even romanticize my skincare routine. When I sit here at my little vanity and I'm looking at myself, like, I am romanticizing that to the T. Romanticize your life. Make every little moment feel special. Because I swear, once you feel good about yourself, that's when you really elevate and grow. That's when people start to come to you like you're a magnet. Okay, I hope those quick tips helped you guys. 2025 is your year to shine. Do you hear me? 2025 is your year to shine. And remember, a glow up is not just about looking good, okay? It's about feeling good. It starts from the inside first. It's about feeling unstoppable and living your best life. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and join this pretty family. I'll see y'all in my next video, and I really hope y'all enjoy this series that I'm having. I love y'all. Y'all go watch my shorts because I'm gonna be posting a lot of shorts going forward. So bye, love y'all.
But right now,